There is currently a lot of confusion about the diversity visa program, with some news outlets claiming that the program has been suspended or even canceled. This information is incorrect and based on a misunderstanding, and it has caused unnecessary concern among applicants worldwide. The confusion comes from a public statement posted on X by the Secretary of Homeland Security, Kristi Noem. That statement did not cancel or suspend the diversity visa program. Instead, it instructed Department of Homeland Security and USCIS to pause certain internal processing activities related to the program. To understand this properly, it is important to know the difference between three U.S. government bodies: USCIS, the Department of Homeland Security, and the Department of State. USCIS handles immigration cases inside the United States for people who are already living there and operates under the Department of Homeland Security. The Department of State, through U.S. embassies and the Kentucky Consular Center, is the authority that runs the diversity visa program worldwide. The instruction issued by the Department of Homeland Security applies only to USCIS and affects a very small number of adjustment of status cases for applicants already inside the United States. These cases represent less than 1% of all diversity visa applicants. Applicants applying from outside the United States are processed entirely by the Department of State and are not affected by this USCIS pause. The diversity visa program itself is written into U.S. law and cannot be canceled or terminated by the President or by any government department. It can only be terminated by Congress through a formal legislative process, and at this time, no such law has been proposed or passed. The reason the DV 2027 program has been delayed is not cancellation, but a combination of a temporary U.S. government shutdown in October and ongoing system upgrades by the Department of State in November. These upgrades include the integration of a new application fee payment system and preparation for passport verification, which is necessary when more than 20 million applications are submitted each year. The only official and reliable source of information about the diversity visa program is the Department of State. Their current statement confirms that DV 2027 will proceed and that registration dates and confirmation number issuance will be announced as soon as practicable, while the visa issuance period remains unchanged. Unfortunately, some media outlets have misinterpreted the DHS statement and published misleading headlines. This has created unnecessary panic, and we strongly recommend that applicants rely only on official Department of State announcements